Coming soon to San Antonio, Texas, we got Reapers Collections. This looks awesome, man. This is inside of Rolling Oaks Mall here in San Antonio. I'm here on a Saturday, and I believe they actually open tomorrow, September 1st. Look how cool this is. I'm just giving you a glance at the outside because, again, they're not open today, but let's just see if we can take a little peek in there. Look at some of those masks. Look at our Ronald McDonald here. Hey, Ronald. They got everything inside of here. You see that in the back? Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Wow. They got all the animatronics in here. Looks like they got masks. Plenty of props for Halloween. Again, this is new. This is just going to be opening up tomorrow, September 1st, called Reapers Collections. Northeast side of San Antonio, Texas. I'll definitely be coming back here. I don't know if I'll be coming back tomorrow, but I'll come back to check it out, make a little video and see what it's all about. Again, this is just a quick little video. Just wanted to give you guys a little look at Reapers Collections. We will be back. I'll see you in the next one.